Hi guys, it's Jill Blanchett with Green Thumb Stampers. I'm here for another version of Finally Friday. I'm going to show you a fun background today, so stay tuned and I'll get right to it. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy, fun, pretty, sparkly background that is perfect for the holidays because it is sparkly. So what you want to do is take your glue dots, and I just have a sheet from like a paper pumpkin kit or something that I've got laying around, and then you're going to just stick them all over your piece of paper wherever you want to put them. Now this is going to work way better for you if you have glue dots on a roll, because then you don't have to pick the covers off. But I'm going to show you, see, because like each one of these is from my sheets going to have a cover on them, so highly recommend the glue dots on the roll. And then I'm not going to, of course, stick this whole thing down for you guys. These are coming off fairly easy, and then I'm just sticking it onto the piece of paper. But you get the idea here. You're just going to randomly stick your glue dots all over your paper, and then when you're done, you probably can't see that, but you'll have the little glue dots, and then you're going to take your gold foil, your gold, I forget the actual name of it, but we're going to take this and you're just going to scoop it up and put it all over your dots. So get it onto your sponge. Try not to sneeze in it or make a mess like that in it, because it is very, very, very fine and it will go everywhere if you are not careful. And that's it. See, you just then can rub on the dot and then get the big flecks off that are on it. Tap it off, get the excess off, and there you go. You've got yourself an awesome background ready to be decorated to any kind of card now. See you next week. Okay, so I'm going to show you the finished card that I created with that background. So that gives you an idea of what it would look like once you get it all put together the rest of the way. Have a great weekend.